Oh my god! What is that?
I think it's a moth, or maybe a very ugly pigeon.
Oh, come on, that's a bat.
You are right. At my age, it's usual my eyes play games on me. Can you imagine if I could move like the bat?
I believe you have no idea about the physical phenomenon that allows them to move around without running into anything.
Of course I know it. You, random frame that asked for the bat. Did you know that the effect bats regulate is the same that allowed us to know that the universe we live in is in regular expansion?
Nonsense! Do I have the word stupid written all over my face? It's impossible whatever you say is morally true.
The physical phenomenon that I talk about will blow your mind. It's called the Doppler effect.
We need to tell him first a little bit about bats. First of all, bats are able to move around at night, even with their poor sight, due to the way they have evolved. These animals developed a very uncommon adaptation among animals, named echolocalization. This is an ability that allows them to recognize their surroundings by emitting a sound that bounces on different surfaces and gets back to them, which gives the bats information about the environment they are in.
And this is where physics take place. Let me explain what is it. The effect expresses the existence of an observer and a source of wave. In this case, we refer to them as sound. If there's no variations of the distances between the wave source and the observer, which means that none of them are moving, it means that there won't be any variations in the sound's frequency. So, we listen to it exactly in the same way it was emitted. But, if the sound source has motions, one of two processes can take place. Case 1. The source moves towards the observer. Is this the situation? The waves will be compressed from the point of view of the observer. Thus, they're going to say the sounds feel sharper, which means a wave with more frequency but less length. Case 2. The source moves away from the observer. If this is the case, the waves generated by the source tend to extend, so the observer will perceive a deeper sound, which means the wave's frequency decreases but its length increases.
I have a doubt. If the bat is the one who is emitting the sound, and is also always in motion, would that mean that they always perceive a distorted sound?
You're actually correct, my friend. That's what they must regulate. The bats only perceive a frequency better than the others. So, to make sure the sound they produce always comes back to them in this set frequency, they regulate how they produce the sound based on their speed and motion.
Wow, you two are too clever. You said some minutes ago, this effect can explain the expansion of the universe, didn't you? Could you tell me more?
We would love to.
But it'll be next time, young man.